Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Erickhill wood moisture meter, and it's model number EWM01. Let's get it open here and we'll check it out. Alright, inside the box got our instruction booklet. See, it looks like we got a little chart here. It's the material comparison table. The M1 through M7, it has all different materials here. The camera will focus. See, we got 1 and 2 are both wood. You can see the different types of wood. And then 3 through 7, you got cement, mortar, gypsum, what's this? More mortar, lime mortar, and bricks. So you have all your different settings, M1 through M7. And we'll pull out the meter. There's your pins at the top. And right here is where your batteries go. So we'll unscrew the cap and we'll throw our 2 AAA batteries that are inside the box here. Throw them inside here. Okay, right here on the back it shows you both batteries face down. So we'll go ahead and put those in and we'll screw the top back on. Pull our cover off. There's our power button. Okay, so we have a green screen here, a green display. It's our max. Okay, the M here is for your different materials. 3, should be 7 of these, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. And then your moisture reading, whether it's low, medium, or high. So low would be green, medium would be orange, and if it's red, it would be a high reading. It also has an auto shutdown. After 10 minutes of not using it, it will power off. That's what this little clock symbol is there. Okay, let's grab a scrap piece of wood. Right here's an old piece. We'll test that out. So we'll try it on 1. .5. Let's go to our other wood setting, number 2. It's like 9.0, 8.9. Okay. Now I got a newer piece of lumber here, treated piece of lumber. We'll stick it in the end here and we'll see if our reading goes up a lot more. We'll go back to 1. Oops. Got 11.9 or 12. Now let's go to number 2. I'm getting like a 10.6. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put it on my skin here once, so we'll see if it changes. Okay, there we go. We're at orange. See if we can get it to go red. There we go. Now we're in the high zone. Back to our green setting here for low. Orange. Back to red. Alright, well that's the Erickhill wood moisture meter. I'll leave a link down below where you can get yourself one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.